Let's do it. Let's do it. Fuck it, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go, bitch.
It's not coming with the
Thank
beer.
you. Cheers, beer lady.
Oh, lots of Filipino peso.
I'm a pensionaire.
We're going to Philippines! Yay! After 5 years, we are now through the security check. Where are we now, Ed?
Departure.
Departure. We're gonna go get some dinner because we haven't eaten yet.
World food in the Wonder Tree.
So now choosing which food to have for dinner.
Providings.
Oh, so many choices. Are they even open?
Did you get a football shirt for the holiday?
No.
Why? Which one? I like the white one.
Geçmiş olduğunu umuyoruz. Emniyetiniz için kemer ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar lütfen yerinizde kalınız.
Guys, we are finally in Cebu. After 5 years of not coming back to the Philippines, we are finally here and our luggage are here. We had to queue up a little bit in the immigration bit, but it was okay. See, all the yellow luggages are all here. So we arrived in the Philippines in Cebu early in the morning on Sunday after traveling. We left on Friday the 8th of December in London, and then we had a stopover in Turkey, like literally for an hour, so we had to run to our gate. 3.5 hours from London to Turkey, and then from Turkey to Philippines, where we had to stop over in Manila for like 50 minutes to 1 hour, and then to Cebu. It was a really long flight, so we were so tired. We arrived at 1 o'clock in the morning, got our bags, our luggages, and then came straight to an apartment near the airport. So we were just here for one night, and then we're gonna go to Radisson Blu to stay for a couple of days to climatize ourselves, and just basically, in Visaya we call it soroy soroy. That's basically just gallivanting and getting to know Philippines again. So this is our apartment. It's like a studio flat with 2 beds. Excuse the mess. We've got the mini kitchen over here with a fridge. Actually, it's quite stacked up, that fridge, but yeah, the prices are here for you to pay. And then you have the bathroom with shower. It's pretty good. I think we booked this for £40 on booking.com, but I have like rewards, so I think it's got £10 off or something.
Meron na tayong tatlong bridge dito, ma'am.
It's a terminal, bus terminal.
Yeah.
Turn right, then in 10 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
You binging, mate.
Yep, I'm filming.
You have arrived at your destination.
Here we
Welcome
are.
back to the Philippines.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Shall we?
I'm just making
No! Oh, look at those cute doors. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. We're going to have some
jacket.
Guatemala.
Putumaya. Yeah, with chocolate. Yes. Right.
How's your food, guys?
Great.
Putrid.
This is puto sikwate. And then, let's see if I can put it here. So then, tinamola.
Thank you.
Which one? Oh, fresh juice.
Fresh apple.
Full-bellied after we had our breakfast. Now we went to soak up the sun and swim in the pool. It was way too much for somebody, and this sleeping beauty had a nap. Lucky for her. Ganda naman matulog nito. In the evening, my cousin Iris came to take us to Sugbo Mercado, which is a night market with lots of food. Sugbo Mercado was really good. This is our second time visiting this market. Sadly, after this spot, I somehow pressed slow-mo and all of my videos are in slow-mo with no sound. But I managed to take some of the video and basically increase the speed so it's kind of normal. So I'm going to do my best to do a voiceover on them. So the first thing we did was walked around to see what's what, and yes, it's very busy as you can see, so we had to queue for a table. My cousin Iris was so nice and so accommodating. She was telling us which stall is the best, so obviously we had to get that lechon and some tuslo boa. That is the street food pig's brain that is popular in Cebu. And you know what, actually we were all quite surprised. We actually enjoyed it. So what you need to do is go to the stall and they'll give you a whole packed thing. So you've got the portable cooker, the cooking utensils and all the ingredients to make this tuslo boa, and you give a deposit of I think either 200 pesos or 500 pesos, and then when you return all those things to the stall, they give you back your deposit. My mom, surprisingly, has never tried it because she's not from Cebu. She's from Leyte, which is an island just off Cebu. And obviously my girls haven't tried it. We've never tried it before. So this was an experience that we've never done before in Cebu. And we also got some seafood and some silog meals. They were all delicious, and to end the evening we had some ice cream. These ice cream store had really interesting flavors, which was delicious actually. I will list down all the places that we went to in the description and some links if I can. And we didn't get any drinks for some reason. I think we were just so full up that we couldn't fit any more drinks. But next time we will do a better video. Third time lucky. They're always ready for a pose. Oh!
On the back also.
Hello mga mahal. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell button so you'll get notified when I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Sponsor me.
Your face to it.
Cheers.
Again, cheers.